Cloud technology has opened up new possibilities for remote working and employee flexibility. As a result, Office 365 is a significant advantage for businesses around the world. However, while many businesses understand the basics of their Office 365 cloud software, some may not be aware of some of the built-in tools that can revolutionize how a business operates. These tools are free, powerful, accessible from anywhere, and available to all Office 365 Business Premium users. Make sure that your customers fully utilize their subscription by taking advantage of these hidden gems. Because a customer that gets the maximum out of their subscription is more likely to invest in your services again in future. Easily send professional-looking marketing emails that showcase a brand identity with Microsoft connections. Reach out to customers with easy-to-design newsletters and announcements that keep them coming back. Take control of customer service with Outlook Customer Manager. Automatically organize information such as emails, meetings, calls, notes, tasks and deadlines in one place. Share all this information with the team so a customer never goes unnoticed. Help customers find you with Microsoft Listings. Get your business up on sites like Facebook and Google from one consistent source. Listings ensures your business information and brand information, such as opening hours and phone numbers, are consistent across every listing site. Arrange appointments easily with Microsoft Bookings. Let customers see availability and book automatically, letting you easily keep track of appointments and ensuring bookings don't get missed. Use Office 365 to make finance easy with Microsoft Invoicing. Generate estimates that look professional in minutes. The elegant pre-designed template can be customized with your logo and branding. Convert estimates to invoices and email it to customers in seconds. Manage expenses and mileage easier with Mile IQ Premium, built into Office 365 Business Premium as standard. Track your mileage automatically, check weekly reports, and claim back expenses easier. No need to worry about fuel receipts. Improve your client's business, save money, and ensure they extract the most from their Office 365 subscription by making use of these powerful business tools. For help and assistance in getting the most out of any Office 365 package, get in touch with Westcoast.